All right, so good morning. We're here with Rosie. She's doing so good. Rosie, come. Yes, good. Sit. Yes, good girl. Good girl. So one of the things we're working on, obviously she was jumping a lot. She was biting, she was nipping, she was chewing. So one of the main things we're doing is keeping her focused on something else, redirecting her. Rosie, come. Yes, good girl. Here you go. Place. Right here. Good. Sit. Yes. Good job. Good. So here's a great example of her running off to go get into something, running off to go do something. Recall is how we can prevent that. So Rosie, come. Yes, good. Sit. Yes, good job. Good. And then I'll use food, treats, or praise to keep her attention and hold her focused. Rosie, yay, good. Attention span is short, right? It's like a little baby. This attention span is so short, we have to remember that. So she starts to go away, boom, I'm here. With puppies like this, there's not a world we live in that we can just expect them to go do all the right things with us not paying attention or being around. So that's what we're gonna help you with, is how does that schedule work so that you can set not just her up for success, but yourself. Rosie, come. Good girl, good girl. So we'll do a little loose leash walking. This right here is just to have control. Good. Uh-oh, good girl. Here we go. Right here, good. Good job, so pretty. So pretty. Sorry, is that distracting? Good. Yes. Good job. Good job. Ready? Here we go. Here we go, baby. Good. Here we go. Good job. Uh-oh. Yes, good. Yay. Good job. Here we go. Yes, good girl. Good girl, right here. Good, here you go. Go to your place. Good, sit. Yes, good. Good job. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah, see how good she's doing? Say hi to your mommy. Hi. Good job, good girl. Yes, oh, that's so sweet.